Nicholas. Nicholas. Hi. Hi. You say Grandpa and Grandma hi? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandpa. Say bye-bye. I can't wait to meet you. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.